Welcome back to the Samurai Chronicles, and thank you all ever so much for watching today's episode. This is actually the first fully animated episode we've ever done. The goal was to make something I personally wanted to see, and hopefully something you guys would want to watch as well. On the technical side, everything was built in Blender and edited in Filmora. The environment was created using the True Terrain add-on to generate the forest, ground, and landscape. For compositing, it very quickly turned into spaghetti madness, layers of blurs, glares, and node tweaking, all just to strip the image back until only the red and blue really shine through. Character creation was a mix of online tools and AI. I used ChatGPT to help design characters that I felt would actually belong in this world, then brought them to life using Meshi AI and Mixamo, alongside rotomation of my own footage. And yes, forgive me for not showing the original footage this time. I'm hoping that this episode is very much a stepping stone. The hope is to build from here, with better animation and more interesting storytelling going forward. If you enjoyed the episode or you're just curious about how any part of it was made, feel free to leave a comment. Support genuinely helps more than people realise. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in the next episode.